the second course in the Java programmer is Java 11 Essential Training by David Gassner. And this was a curveball. I mean, I did not expect the second course that I will go into will be so full of content, so full of education that I will have to revisit many topics a lot of times. So what happened was, yeah, you do these courses, you do Java, you come to Java, you declare, and you go at your normal pace because you know everything. As soon as you come to the seventh, and I mean, honestly, this took me more than the time. I mean, 4 or 5 times the time. So if it's 5 minutes, I think I spend like an hour on this. Honestly, I spend an hour on basically everything, trying to revisit everything. And even though I was not taking notes, I think this was an excellent course. And I think that is one thing I will try to repeat about learning. Learning is a very personal thing. You cannot that's the one thing I don't like about coachings. So where you are in a bunch of where a bunch of students are made to basically follow a same course at the same time, that's not how learning works. You might not have stopped in these courses. You might have understood this in the first go. I took time. I had to take time because it was new for me and I couldn't understand it. You see how learning works. I mean, that is the thing that I'm trying to say by this, that and honestly, books are an excellent way to do this, because when you read a book, you can go at your own pace. You If you figure out that, oh my god, this is a completely new thing for me and I cannot wrap my heads around it, you should stop and you should give it your full attention, because that is where the actual learning is happening. If you are just going through videos, mainly because mainly the main reason you are going so fast is because you already know. So the reason I went from 1 to 6, from the up to the sixth program, without stopping, without a break, all the questions correct, because I knew about them. As soon as I went into the custom classes, I knew my weakness. I knew that I didn't know this, so I spent majority of the time of this project under trying to understand each and everything, especially custom classes. So yeah, this is a personal thing, this will not happen to you, but my point is, don't go at any one other spaces. Make your learning journey personal to you. It should be personal. Education is a personal thing. It should be based on how you are learning, and that is the reason I do not share my notes, and that is the reason I basically stop. I I do not like sharing codes, sharing notes. These are the violation of the honor code that I abide by. Once I think taking CS 106A by Meran Sahami from Stanford University, I think that did me a lot of good things. At least it made me an excellent, you know, excellent program, and made me, I'm creeping out now. What I want to say is, it made a very good base for me to learn anything else, any new learning, any new program. If you I mean, I did it like half of this course, I couldn't even complete it back then, but it made a very good base, so that whatever new I can learn, I can learn. So, and that is the point I'm trying to say. I will never share codes. I mean, only thing that I will share will be just the comments. I mean, if I'm forced to be in a position that please share your code, I will just share you the comments. And yes, that is how it works. You cannot expect to just go and copy someone else's code and learn things by yourself. Yeah, so this was about this course. uh, Excellent course. I did not expect a LinkedIn course to be of this level. I did not expect, honestly, I did not expect that. And I couldn't just, run through it very fastly and complete it. It took me like 4 or 5 days. And these were good 4 or 5 days. I was learning something new. Yeah, that's about this.